Hello, today I'm going to change ignition coil on a 2008 Ford F150. I use the Motorcraft DG511. I've already replaced 5. We'll replace number 6. Replacing your ignition coils can help improve gas mileage. Let's change it. Disconnect the electrical connector. So you just push on this tab right here, lift it off. Get your 7mm. Back here on this, hard to see, but back there on the bolt. Just have the 7mm. Once you get it loose, reach down. Grab the bolt and the socket so you don't lose the bolt. Get out like that. This is hard to get. You gotta maneuver it through all the stuff. It'll come right out. New coil, put it in. Slides right in. The new coil in. Just pull it back up. Alright, new coil's tightened up. Reconnect your electrical connector. There it is. New coil is installed. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.